Welcome back to Outstanding Guru YouTube channel. Which Indian city is called the City of Dreams? Answer is Mumbai. Which Indian state is the largest producer of rice? Correct answer is West Bengal. Who was the first Vice President of India? Answer is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Which Indian state is the largest in terms of area? Answer is Rajasthan. What is the capital of Mizoram? Answer is Aizawl. Which Indian award is the highest civilian award? Correct answer is Bharat Ratna. Which Indian city is known as the City of Nawabs? Answer is Lucknow. Which river is called the Dakshin Ganga? Correct answer is Godavari. Which Indian fort is known as the Golden Fort? Answer is Jaisalmer Fort. Which Indian state has the maximum number of districts? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Where is the Indian Institute of Science located? Answer is Bengaluru. Which Indian lake is the largest saltwater lake? Correct answer is Chilika Lake. Which Indian river is considered the holiest? Very good. Answer is Ganga. Which Indian state is famous for Sikkimese cuisine and culture? Correct answer is Sikkim. Which Indian leader is called the Bengali tiger? Very good. Answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. Which Indian airport is the busiest in terms of passenger traffic? Correct answer is Indira Gandhi International Airport. Which temple in India is known for its huge chariot festival? Answer is Jagannath Temple. Which Indian state was formed in 2014? Very good. Answer is Telangana. Which Indian classical dance form originates from Odisha? Answer is Odissi. Which Indian state is known as the Granary of India? Answer is Punjab. Who was the first Indian to win an Olympic gold medal? Answer is Abhinav Bindra. Which Indian city is famous for its pashmina shawls? Answer is Srinagar. Which Indian state is famous for the dance form Bharatanatyam? Very good. Answer is Tamil Nadu. Which state has the Kedarnath temple? Answer is Uttarakhand. Which Indian city is called the Electronic City? Very good. Answer is Bengaluru. Which Indian president served 2 terms? Correct answer is Rajendra Prasad. Which Indian state has the official language of Konkani? Answer is Goa. Which famous battle did Emperor Ashoka fight before converting to Buddhism? Answer is Battle of Kalinga. Which Indian organization is responsible for space research? Correct answer is ISRO. Which Indian folk dance is associated with Gujarat? Answer is Garba. Which Indian state is known for the backwaters? Very good. Answer is Kerala. Which is the northernmost point of India? Correct answer is Indira Kaul. Which Indian sportsperson is known as the Golden Girl? Correct answer is P.T. Usha. Which Indian state is the largest in area? Correct answer is Rajasthan. Which Indian state is known as the land of rising sun? Very good. It's Arunachal Pradesh. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? And the correct answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. Where is the Hawa Mahal located? Answer is Jaipur. Which Indian state is the leading producer of silk? Correct answer is Karnataka. What is the full form of DRDO? Answer is Defense Research and Development Organization. Which Indian state is known as the fruit bowl of India? Correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Which Indian festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Easy one, it's Diwali. Where is India Gate located? Correct answer is New Delhi. What does the Ashoka Chakra represent in the Indian flag? Answer is 24 virtues. Which Indian state is famous for the Hornbill Festival? Correct answer is Nagaland. Which river is also known as the Sorrow of Bihar? Answer is Kosi. Which city is known as the Pink City of India? Answer is Jaipur. Which Indian Prime Minister gave the slogan Garibi Hatao? Answer is Indira Gandhi. Which Indian scientist is known for Green Revolution? Correct answer is M.S. Swaminathan. Which dance form is associated with Tamil Nadu? Answer is Bharatanatyam. Which Indian state has hornbill as its state bird? Answer is Nagaland. Congratulations, you have successfully completed all 50 questions. How many answers did you get right? Comment below. For more interesting and general knowledge videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Outstanding Guru.